Okay, so this is the dump fan. Looks like something like this. And from this side, something like this. Okay, the dump fan has a lot of cool things and applications you can do with it. And it's just a nice way to overall, fan a deck of cards. And so, yeah, let's just go ahead and learn how to do the dump fan. Okay, so here's how you do the one-handed dump fan with nice one-handed closure. Okay, you can do that also in the end. So the first thing I'll say is that you're going to need a newer deck of cards or a smoother deck of cards. A rough and old sticky deck is not going to really be good for this move. So definitely that's the biggest tip, is to use a newer deck of cards. That will definitely help with the move. Okay, so let's break this down. What you're doing basically is you're holding the deck like so, my thumb, my index and middle, with the cards like this, and it's done in a very quick action. So when I do the move, it's not done slow, so it's going to be a little difficult to explain, but I also do this later in slow motion, so hopefully that'll help as well. But basically, what's happening is I am holding the cards like so. In a quick manner, I'm coming over with my other hand to rotate in from the right hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do it clockwise. And I'm just basically, in this position. I'm just kind of, again, it's hard to do slowly, but this is just what's happening. So I'm spinning it around. Okay, obviously it looks horrible because I'm doing it slow, but the move's supposed to be done fast, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So again, it's like this without the deck. You're holding the deck like so, and you're coming over with your other hand. Okay, and you're turning the deck this way, and then rotating it all the way around quickly, just like so. So basically, that means something like this. So you're holding the pack in this grip, and your other hand's gonna come over. Okay, my middle finger and my thumb, it's gonna rotate the pack like this, okay, and in a quick manner, again, it's gonna just spin. Again, I'm just doing this slowly for demonstration. It's gonna spin in one continuous motion quickly to here. Okay, it's like this. All right, so when you do that, that's gonna cause the cards to fan. Okay, and again, this is just gonna take some, experimentation. When you do the move, again, it's done quick. With my hand like this in this position, and it's gonna pivot the deck like this. My middle finger, my thumb, my index is actually kind of curled in this case, and you just swivel the deck. Okay. Again, that was decent, but you just swivel the deck, okay? Something like this. So from here, let's assume you want to learn the one-handed closure part, okay? So basically what's happening is with my hand here, I'm basically just kind of closing it. Yeah, I know that's not too helpful, but watch my fingers. I'm just kind of, I know it's kind of hard to explain with the hand turned over that way, but you're just closing it, okay? That's really all that's happening is with my fingers, and this is without the deck, I'm just pushing the cards in that direction back, you know? And again, this is just gonna have to take a bit of practice to kind of see how that goes, but that's really all that's happening is I'm just simply closing it. That's really all that's happening. So let's just say you got to here, okay? And again, my thumb is putting pressure on the cards here, and my four fingers here are just pushing. Okay, see how it's moving? Okay, I'm just pushing the cards quickly back, like so, to close the fan. Once you're here, you can just, you're pushing with these fingers this way. And you're just simply closing it up, really, okay? My thumb's putting pressure here, and these fingers are just gonna close the fan, like this, okay? And again, this is done quickly, so when you do the move, you just do that, okay? So that's kind of basically how you do this fan, the dumb fan. You could practice with less cards. I think that's definitely an option. You could do that if that helps to kind of start off using less cards. But just see what works. And yeah, that's basically my tips and tutorial on the dumb fan. And now I'm gonna kind of break the move down in slow motion. So I'm gonna show that right now. Alright, so that was the dumb fan tutorial, and yeah, thanks for watching, and see you all next time.